Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today, we are exploring an incredible CapCut feature, Particles Dissipate effects. This tool can take your edits to the next level. If you want to apply a dust disintegration effect to your video, then this tool is perfect. Whether you are making content for social media, YouTube, or just for fun, this effect will make your videos stand out. Let's begin the tutorial step by step. First, import the video you want to edit and drag it into the timeline. Now place the playhead at the start of your video. Click on the freeze option to create a still frame. Remember, the Particles Dissipate effect only works on freeze frames. Next, move the playhead to the end of your video and click freeze again to create another still frame. Now go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, select Motion Effects. Here, you will find Particles Dissipate 1 and Particles Dissipate 2. For the first freeze frame, I will use Particles Dissipate 1. For the second freeze frame, I will apply Particles Dissipate 2. Motion effects work differently from other effects. You cannot place them above the video clip. You must drag and drop the effect directly onto the video clip. Drag and drop Particles Dissipate 1 onto the first freeze frame. Then drag and apply Particles Dissipate 2 to the second freeze frame. If needed, you can adjust the duration of the freeze frames and the effects to match the flow of your video. And that's it. You now know how to create a stunning dust disintegration effect in CapCut using the Particles Dissipate tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your questions or thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.